Hi friends! So it's Friday and now you're ready to practice all the full sports I wanted to try this season. Do you remember them? Monday I did the ice skating. Amazing. On Tuesday I practiced some bobsledding. Wednesday I did the snowboarding and Thursdays I did the curling. Yes! All 4 new sports for me. I really had fun. And while practicing, I wrote on my journal some notes I must consider for each sport. So let's check my notes. While ice skating, I must keep my balance. Oh wait, I don't write must like that. There is a mistake. Must needs an U instead of A. Hey, goodbye. You come down. Thank you. Okay? So, while ice skating, I must keep my balance. Great. Let's see. What did I write on Tuesday? Inside the sleigh, I mustn't be too stiff. No. I must be still. Yes, I cannot be moving inside the sleigh like that. No, I need to be super quiet and still. Yeah, so it's not mustn't. Apostrophe and goodbye. And T, get closer. Well done. Okay, I must be a little bit stiff, yes? Okay, Wednesday, what did I write? Wednesday, next time I snowboard, I must change my boots. Why? Yes, it's correct. Because the boots I used this last time were too big. So I must put my size boots, okay? And finally on Thursday I wrote, doing curling, I must run faster. Yes, no mistakes here. But I must run faster. I was too slow and all my friends were super fast. Yeah. But don't worry, next week I'll keep practicing all these 4 sports and sure I get better.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello my friends, again back to work. Today, let's keep learning about the modal verb must. Obligation, right? Like 100% sure you have to do something. And remember that must is a special word that we use when we want to say something is very important or necessary, and mustn't is a special word. It tells us that something is not allowed. You cannot do it, okay? Not at all. So look, in this third activity, we have to choose the right option. We have 2 options, and we have to choose if mustn't or must, okay? What is the right form? So let's go for it. The first one. In winter, we must or we mustn't wear sandals. Come on, it's winter. Winter time. Winter, it's cold. So for short, you mustn't wear sandals. You mustn't. So I'm going to take the color and I'm just going to paint it. Mustn't. Okay, you mustn't wear sandals. Then, to ski, you mustn't or you must wear a helmet. Okay, to ski. I think it's very, very important that you wear a helmet. So I'm just going to say to ski, no hats, but helmets. You must wear a helmet. Well done. Now let's go for the next one. If you don't want to get cold, you must or you mustn't wear short. Okay, these are short sleeves. This is long. All right, this is long and this is short. You must or mustn't wear short sleeve t-shirts. You mustn't. You super mustn't. Otherwise, you will get super cold, right? And you might get a flu. So, mustn't. That is the right verb. Well done. And finally, bobsledders mustn't or must wear helmets. Mustn't or must wear helmets. So, of course, must, right? They must wear helmets. They mustn't wear hats. So, let's go and write must. And that's it. Well done, guys. Okay, remember, must is positive, mustn't is negative. Goodbye.